Hey there, Sid here with another trade recap, and today I took a trade on Neuro in pre-market hours. So this stock popped up on my momentum scanner around 8:15, and it was moving up higher on a light volume. So I decided to take a stab at it, and that trade was not successful. I bought 100 shares at 1478 because of these two green candles, and I was expecting it to move higher quickly before uh, before selling off, but that did not happen, and I ended up losing $23, and I sold 100 shares at 1455. So if you see here, I lose $23 on that trade. So I was a little bit cautious after that, and then MRM, or Medirom Healthcare Technologies, uh, popped up on a momentum scanner multiple times. So the first time I bought 100 shares at 1484, and then I sold it at 1490 because it was showing some it was not showing that promise, or it that candle did it this candle, small green candle, didn't give me that confidence of holding 100 shares at that high. So I sold it everything, all the 100 shares at 1419, and that was a right call. I earned around like $7. I don't remember. But after that, on this move, I jumped in again with 10 shares at 14.99. So this was just a test. Like, I was really not sure at that point to take a big position or not. I could have took a big position, but then I like said no, let's not do it. Let's not risk of losing more than $100 or something. So I didn't do that, and I sold everything as at 15.18. If I would have taken a big position over there, that could have been like a quick trade. But yeah, I mean that was too risky. So I'm glad that I didn't took that risk. So with this both trade, I was up around like 11 $12. No, not level $12. I guess I was up around like $9 or something, $9 or $8. I don't know. Then the next um, uh, trade I took again on MRM, because when the market opened, it went into the halt, and after that halt, I was trying to get filled in on this pullback, but that did not happen. I don't know why. I punched the order, and I got a message on Tdameritrade that order got cancelled because of some issue, server issue, or something like that. I don't know. But after that, um, I filled in at 1716 with 100 shares, and I was holding it for a while, like uh, but when I saw this like big wicks on this candle, I said like, oh no, 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 I'm not feeling confident. Let's pull back. Let's unload the position and wait for the confirmation. And I guess that was the right move, because after few candles after this red candle, it moved up higher to 1843, and then it kind of sell off completely. And if you see here, the chart did not look good after that, and that sell off continued after that initial high. So on and all, with all three trades, I made around $31. So basically, I was green on the day. Now after that, I took a trade on Amazon. Now if you see here, I bought vertical spread on Amazon as it started moving higher, and as you know, when Amazon moves higher or in either direction, like if even if it is a bullish or bearish, it makes almost $20 to $30 move in a single day. So that end up happening over here beautifully, and I capture that trade. But since I got burned by Amazon in my previous trade, um, I decided not to take big chance, and I sold and I closed the position of vertical spread at $36. So my vertical spread was 3400 and 3410 call. So yeah, that was a quick position. Didn't lose anything, gained $36. So it was, for me, it was a break even trade, because with Amazon, when it moves and it gives you good profit, but that did not happen with me today. So it is what it is. The next trade after that I took was on Nvidia. So Nvidia, I bought a vertical spread for 22.5 and 2025, 22.5 to 2022.25, sorry. And I bought it here, and the same mistake I did with Nvidia again is like I sold it too early and with $5 of profit, so nothing significant over there. I guess I need to hold patience with Nvidia when it makes that um, upward move. Now after that, I took a trade on Tesla. So Tesla is showing some bearishness, and I open a swing position with Tesla put spread 750 745 put spread, and it's still in play. So I'm going to hold it for a while till it comes down. I guess Tesla will come down to 650, 630, 650 level, but it takes some time. So I'm still in this play. And other than that, I took a trade on XLE. I bought a call option on SLE um, at 52 call on XLE for $59, I guess, and it was very cheap, so I took a stab at it. It made this beautiful move, but that move was kind of like very minor when you compare it with other trades that I took, like for an example, Nvidia, Amazon, which moves at least $1 to $2 throughout the day. So that did not happen over here. Yeah, it barely moved a dollar, got $9 out of it, out of that trade. So yeah, it was a green trade. And so after this trade, I stopped trading, and after, with one losing trade and other bunch of green trade with smaller profits, I made $58.09 for the day. So it's a green day. I'm happy that I didn't lose money. Also, I'm happy that I gain control over my trading. Yeah, in last 2 days I was trading on, like I was taking multiple trades, um, and that's not a good strategy. So I reduced the number of trades, and I got myself green. So I will reduce it even further next day. And this whole week was too choppy. I did not get a good setup throughout this week with stocks, specifically momentum stocks. Uh, we didn't see that momentum that we saw last week. So this week was completely flat, I would say. And today is a Thursday, just one trading day left. Um, in this week. So let's see what Friday offers us. Usually Friday is either sell off or a bull run, but let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. And that being said, thank you for watching this video, and see you in next trade recap. Thank you.